What's going on, everyone? We are here in Plattsburgh, New York, Clinton County Fairgrounds for the Versus Monster Truck Tour, and hanging out in the pit party right now. Witch Doctor, Bercy driving, little Bercy, Gage. Doing a sweet job. Beautiful crowd, beautiful day. Walk around a few minutes, see what we got. Tyler here in his temporarily insane truck, getting it dialed in. Looks beautiful. Stone Crusher. Brian White here at Hooked. Here's Brian.
Max, stay with me.
Rolling over yesterday. Weren't here yesterday. We were out racing myself, but made the trip tonight to be here. And of course, Bigfoot's here.
Smile. Halo, smile.
Always top-notch equipment here. So just hanging around. Gonna get started here in a few minutes. Looking for some great action tonight. It will be Versus Monster Truck Tour.
I'm from Pittsfield, New Hampshire, and it is my distinct pleasure to be on the microphone here this evening for you. Are you ready to meet the men and the machines of the monster trucks? Ladies and gentlemen, the first guy I want to introduce to you, I got a little invested interest in this young man. He is 17 years of age. He comes to you out of Pittsfield, New Hampshire with 500 cubic inches of blown alcohol burning racing engine. Make some noise for Raging Gage, Bercy, and Witch Doctor! Right down next to him, ladies and gentlemen, another Granite State monster truck coming to you out of Wada, New Hampshire. Make some noise with 510 cubic inches of Chevrolet horsepower, Tyler Leach and Temporarily Insane. Right down behind me, ladies and gentlemen, this guy coming to you out of Virginia Beach, Virginia. One of the hardest charging independents in America today with 572 cubic inches blown and injected on alcohol. It makes 1,500 horsepower. Put your hands together for Steve Sims. It's Stone Crusher. Right down at the far end, Chevrolet fans, let me hear where are my Chevy fans in the stands tonight. Make some noise, Chevy fans. This guy coming to you, also out of Virginia Beach, Virginia, making in some wild Chevrolet horsepower with 557 cubic inches, blown and injected on alcohol. Put your hands together for Brian Wright in Hook. Ladies and gentlemen, that's no mistake. We got one more for you. Over 40 years ago, we started this business, and this is the truck that did it all out of St. Louis, Missouri. Only one truck to claim to be the original, a true American icon. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Eric Steinberg and Bigfoot! Bigfoot in the house. Listen, it wouldn't be America if we didn't have an American original, and it's right there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, start your engine. Coming back around, let's see what he's got for us. He comes down the front, ladies and gentlemen. You know, big round of applause as he comes down. James Percy, looking good up in the song. Temporarily insane. Tommy Weeks coming up next in line. We got some big bad boys in the back ready to come out and play. Fire up that next truck, temporarily insane on Loudoun, New Hampshire. Tyler Leach in the insane, ready to come. Getting it down, man, working it up. He had some problems with that truck last night. Not sure what happened with it.
Bare knuckle. I had to replace the champagne. What, we were talking to Tyler?
Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Tyler Leaks, temporarily insane. Out of Virginia Beach, Virginia, Brian Chevrolet Hooks, get ready! Get right on the binders hard, bro. top singer Samantha Fox, and the other was this truck, the truck that can only claim to be the original Eric Steinberg in Bigfoot, St. Louis, Missouri. The big blue Ford still rocking and rolling, strutting and strolling. Awesome job for Eric Steinberg in Bigfoot. Ladies and gentlemen, ironically enough, as many trucks as the team out of St. Louis, Missouri has fielded over the years. Right now they got about 6 or 7 of them running consistently, and the first time that driver ever got behind the wheel of this Bigfoot number 19 was last night. Looking like he's been in it for a long time. I'll tell you, Eric Steinberg, great job, guys. Coming to you out of Virginia Beach, Virginia. Steve Sims in Stone Crusher. Here he comes. Get ready. Steve Sims. Telling me we've got a time that you need to break. By your crowd applause, ladies and gentlemen, how many people think Brian Wright in Hook should win that skills competition? Who thinks your skills competition should be Eric Steinberg Bigfoot? Bigfoot takes the win. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big round of applause as he's making his run. 22-year-old Eric Steinberg, I'll tell you. At 22 years old, I was trying to beat Bigfoot, and this guy's out here driving it. Eric Steinberg, unbelievable, great job.
You know, I just want to thank all these great fans out here supporting Bigfoot. Without you guys, it's not possible. I try to get out a couple wheelies for you guys. Ground's a little weird out here, but I promise you guys I'll do better for freestyle.
Now, Eric, before you leave, I want to tell you something. You said something to me yesterday that really struck a nerve with me as a lifelong Bigfoot fan and somebody who's lived every day of his life trying to be as good, if not better than Bigfoot. You said, I want to put Bigfoot back in its #1 spot. Buddy, you're doing it, and you're doing a great job.
I appreciate that. I just want to make sure all these fans out here are having a good time. Are you guys having a good time or what?
Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, out of St. Louis, Missouri, Eric Steinberg and Bigfoot. Oh, looks like we're sending Timberland and St. Louis. Right there. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. Temporarily insane. .509 cubic inches, big block racing engine. Absolutely insane, looking strong. Good job, Tyler Leach out of Loudon, New Hampshire. Here comes the witch doctor, ladies and gentlemen. Raymond Gage first out of Pittsfield, New Hampshire. Getting ready to put it in the air. Let's see what he's got for us. to it. Here he comes. He's looking good. We'll get some of our next trucks out there. I think you're going to see a whole lot bigger air to come. Gabe's still chewing that truck. The lone Chevy, ready to rock and roll. 557 cubic inches. Blowing the different alcohol. Ryan right here.
That got a crowd reaction.
Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. It's Steve Sims and Stone Crusher. Super Duty Stone Crusher looking strong. Wheeling up on that ramp. Strong performance by Stone Crusher. Stone Crusher with some big time air here at Plattsburgh. Next truck coming at you, the original monster truck. Ladies and gentlemen, here he comes, Eric Steinberg and Bigfoot. Big Blue Ford looking good. The truck that started it all, a true American original right here. And get ready. Here comes Steinberg. Fast moving, big train. That truck flying. Unbelievable momentum here, ladies and gentlemen. Steinberg looking good. We're going to need your help to determine that winner. How many people think your winner of the big air competition was Steve Sims and Stone Crusher? Who thinks your winner of the big air competition was Eric Steinberg and Bigfoot? Man, that's tough. One more time. One more time for Stone Crusher. How about it for Bigfoot? Stone Crusher got that one, ladies and gentlemen. Stone Crusher takes the win. These guys out here, his family's out here, everybody's rocking and rolling, man. Team Stone Crusher. These guys have been awesome to work with. Well, that would even be better. That way I don't have to walk and wait. Victory lap for possibly have. Here they come, ladies and gentlemen. Everything Woodstocker. The history of these two trucks goes back well before I had ever thought of owning either one of those names, and I'll tell you, great to see them back on the track at the same time. Coming at you. Get your cameras ready. I see a helicopter in the air. Let's give them a high five, Eric. Bigfoot style, no doubt about it. Bigfoot looking good, looking strong. Taking it to the donut shop, Bigfoot! Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen! Bigfoot looking good here this evening. Check it out. Smooth, watch this, man. Get ready. Here comes Sam Ryan. Call that one the winner of Team Skills, Hooked and Stone Crusher. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Good time. All these people that come out here and spend their hard-earned money coming out here to see us. They're having fun back there at the fair. See the kids coming out and all these smiles. That's what we do it for.
And I told these people, I told them the story about your longtime crew member, Tommy. This one's for Tommy.
That's a fact, man. That guy running down the road with us. He's been on monster trucks for 20 years. He was crewing for Grave Digger for many years. Come on with Steve Sims. He was the backbone of our team. I got his son back there, Bobby Powers. He's gonna carry on his legacy. But we love you, Tommy Powers, and we're always looking up for you, buddy.
Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. Brian Wright, the driver of Hooked. Is Hooked. Brian Wright in Hooked. Coming at you. Brian Wright going down the far end. Let's see what he's got. Brian Wright, Hook taking it. looking for a donut contest win. Get ready, Eric Steinberg looking for it. Bigfoot, get ready. Bigfoot, ladies and gentlemen, donut contest. How about it? Here he comes, Steve Sims and Stone Crusher. Who thinks your donut contest winner should be Eric Steinberg and Bigfoot? How about it for Steve Sims and Stone Crusher? Steve Sims and Stone Crusher takes the win and a $250 bonus. Here he comes, a big bad Ford out of Atlanta, New Hampshire, ready to rock. Let's see what he can get done. Tyler Leach losing it, getting on the binders, not the run he was looking to have. Tough break for Tyler Leach. It's temporarily insane. Busting another steering knuckle. We'll have to drag him backwards, back to the pit area. Looking good. Doctor. His skill and answer going down to the corner. Let's see what he's got for us. Get ready, here he comes.
He's only 17 years old. Great job.
Brian Wright in hook. Get ready. Brian Wright hook, launching it high. Brian Wright and hook, looking good. Brian Wright and hook. Got it fired up right now. Here it comes. The original monster truck. Ladies and gentlemen, the truck that started it all over 40 years ago, back in 1975. Eric Steinberg and Bob and Marilyn Chandler's to losing power. Let's see what happened to Steve Sims. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Sims and Stone Crusher. Ladies and gentlemen, right now I want to know who won that by your crowd applause. How many people think the winner should be temporarily insane? Who thinks your winner should be Witch Doctor? How about it for Hooked? Let's hear it for Bigfoot. Who thinks your winner should be Stone Crusher? One more time for Bigfoot. How about it for Stone Crusher? Bigfoot takes the win, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up. Eric Steinberg winning freestyle. And with that, it is a wrap. On behalf of myself, Jeff Percy, we're going to have our monster truck drivers that we have signing autographs right over here by the merchandise stand. On behalf of myself, Jeff Percy, and everybody here at Versus Monster Trucks, as well as the Clinton County Fair, God bless every single one of you fans. We live in the greatest nation on the planet Earth, and we made it that way because we were one nation under God. We will continue to remain the #1 nation on the planet Earth because of God. God bless you. God bless America. We'll see you again, Clinton County.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.